Lot number 103 is a 2014 Nissan Versa Note. This one has a bad transmission. It's got a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder engine with 139,000 miles. Engine appears to have a slight misfire. It's gotten better as it's been running now for about 30 minutes. The engine is starting to get a little smoother, but when I first started it up, it had a bad misfire. It may have bad fuel, may just need a tune-up. The engine sounds good, no funny noises. It doesn't really rev up on park here. I'll accelerate it. Listen. Doesn't really rev up when you accelerate it in here. Here are the miles. 130,914 original miles. The little motor sounds good. It's got a bad transmission and the AC blows warm. Let me give you a walk around here, show you what I see. All right, the front bumper is loose. Both front fenders have paint peeling and show surface rust. The headlights are dull. It's got all matching hubcaps. The tires look worn. The rest of the body is straight. It's got minor dents and scratches all around. It shows normal wear and tear, but the rest of the body does look straight. Minor scratches on the rear bumper. All the doors open and close as they should. Cargo area looks good. Shows minimal surface rust around the hinges here. All appears to be solid. Here's the driver's side. Nice and straight. Minor little dent here. It shows a couple of paint chips along the roof edge, and they're beginning to show surface rust. The driver's side tire is very low on air, and the inner wheel well cover appears to be hanging. There's another little paint chip. We'll start with the driver door in the interior. Here's the driver door panel. Looks good, shows some wear. Steering wheel shows wear. Both front seats have a hole. It looks like a cigarette burn. There's no other damage in here. It shows normal wear and tear. It could use a good cleaning, but there's no other real damage inside other than the holes on the seats. Rear seat also has a cigarette burn right there. Carpet looks good. AC blows warm. Here's the passenger side rear. All looks good. And the passenger door. All right, so there it is. It's a Nissan Versa Note. It's a 2014 1.6 liter 4-cylinder with 139,000 miles. Engine runs, transmission does not engage. This one must be towed out of the yard here. It's lot number 103. Good luck.